pumpkin season is great, but there's just one problem.
Oh, there's still pumpkin left from that pie we made. Oh, it's gone bad again.
Are you tired of having leftover pumpkin go bad? Do you need more pumpkin recipes in your life?
Yeah!
Then you need pumpkin, spice, and everything nice. Plant-based pumpkin recipes for the whole can. That's right. For just $5, you can have pumpkin recipes that use up the whole can. From 2 tablespoons to 2 cups, there's a recipe for all the remaining pumpkin you've got.
Wow! It used up all the pumpkin I had left!
The days of moldy pumpkin puree are gone. Go to www.twomarketgirls.com to get your copy today. That's right, for $5 only, you can get 8 plant-based pumpkin recipes to use up the whole can. Go to www.twomarketgirls.com to get your copy today.